Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can connect to our Windows 11 machine from this Linux Mint machine. So we'll be connecting to this Windows 11 machine from this Linux Mint machine. Now we'll be using a tool called Remmina. This is what's going to enable us to do a remote desktop connection to the Windows 11 machine. We just need to make sure that we have Remmina installed. I'm just going to open the terminal. So right click on the desktop and open the terminal. We can check if we have Remmina installed. We can say which Remmina. So we don't have it installed. Now before we install it, we can update our packages. We can do sudo update. We'll put in our password here. Okay, so to install Remmina, we'll do sudo apt install Remmina. Y for yes. Okay, it's done. Let's do which Remmina. Now we do have Remmina installed. We can try and search for it here. And this is it. Okay, now to add a new connection, you can click on the plus sign. We'll need the server, which is the IP address of the Windows 11 device. You'll need the username and the password. So let's go to the Windows 11 machine. The first thing is to make sure that remote desktop is enabled. We'll search for remote desktop settings. So open the remote desktop settings, and then just make sure that remote desktop is turned on. By default, it's going to be turned off. The next thing you want to do is you want to add remote desktop users. Just click on this. Here you'll have to click on add and add a user if you don't have a user. If you don't have a user created, you can use the computer management. You can go search for computer management here. And then go to local users and groups. Go to users here, right click in this window, new user, give the username, say Joe. You can put all the information that you need. You'll need a password. So let's put in a password here. Create, close. That's our new user. Now you can close this, click on add here, then just type the name of the user, check names, click OK. Now the user is added, click OK. Next thing is to determine the IP address of this Windows 11 device. We'll need to open the command prompt, so type in cmd. Here just type in ipconfig. So the IP is 192.168.1.113. Now if you're going to be using the same username to log in as the username that's currently logged in, you might want to log out. So I'm going to go ahead and log out here. Sign out. And then I'm going to add back to the Linux Mint device. Now that we have the IP, we'll put the IP here. Okay, it's going to be 192.168.1.113. The username, I use Eno. Put in the password here. Click connect. Yes. Okay, and I'm logged in. Now you can scale the window using these options here. And there you are. So I'm remotely connected to this Windows 11 device from my Linux Mint device. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to your Windows 11 device from your Linux Mint device. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.